Physics MCQ 2024. The number of wavelength of waves passing through a point in 1 second is called cycle, time period, frequency, none of these. The correct answer is option C, frequency. A normal eye can see near objects clearly at a distance of 25 cm, 20 cm, 30 cm, 35 cm. The correct answer is option A, 25 cm. The sound waves are the example of X-rays, transverse waves, longitudinal waves, electromagnetic waves. The correct answer is option C, longitudinal waves. Various types of cancer are treated by cobalt 60, nickel 63, carbon 14, none of these. The correct answer is option A, cobalt 60. Optical fibers work on the principle of total internal reflection, reflection, refraction, diffraction. The correct answer is option A, total internal reflection. Sound waves having frequency lower than 20 Hz are called infrasonic, ultrasonic, echo, none of these. The correct answer is option A, infrasonic. What is the term for the process by which a solid changes directly into a gas? Melting, boiling, sublimation, condensation. The correct answer is option C, sublimation. The SI unit of charge is watt, volt, coulomb, joule. The correct answer is option C, coulomb. Transformer which increase voltage is called step down transformer, DC motor, step up transformer, AC generator. The correct answer is option C, step up transformer. Transformer works on the principle of induction, self-induction, electrostatistics, mutual induction. The correct answer is option D, mutual induction. Which type of radiation has the shortest wavelength? Gamma radiation, X-ray radiation, ultraviolet radiation, radio wave radiation. The correct answer is option C, gamma radiation. Which type of wave has a frequency above human hearing range? Infrasonic, ultrasonic, radio wave, gamma radiation. The correct answer is option B, ultrasonic. What is the SI unit of frequency? Hertz, Newton, Pascal, watt. The correct answer is option A, Hertz. A choke is used as a resistant in DC circuit, AC circuit, both A and B, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, AC circuit. In railway tracks, a small gap is left between the rails to allow for the expansion during heat, to save the cost of metal, to permit the shrinkage of metal, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, to allow for the expansion during heat. AC generator works on the principle of third law of motion, electrostatic induction, law of gravitation, electromagnetic induction. The correct answer is option D, electromagnetic induction. Astronauts in space need to communicate with each other by radio links because sound waves have low frequency in space, sound waves travel very slowly in space, sound waves cannot travel in space, sound waves travel very fast in space. The correct answer is option C. Sound waves cannot travel in space. Friction can be reduced by changing over from sliding to rolling, rolling to sliding, potential energy to kinetic energy, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Sliding to rolling. The waves which are used to detect the broken bones are called X-rays, sound waves, light waves, both A and B. The correct answer is option A. X-rays. In a vacuum, all electromagnetic waves have the same frequency, amplitude, speed, wavelength. The correct answer is option C. Speed. The charge on alpha particles is +1, +2, -2, -1. The correct answer is option B. +2. When light passes through a prism, it deviates from its original path due to interference, refraction, diffraction, reflection. The correct answer is option B. Refraction. Which of the following is not a type of force? Gravitational force, frictional force, contact force, electrostatic force. The correct answer is option C. Contact force. The loudness of sound is most closely related to its amplitude, wavelength, frequency, period. The correct answer is option A. Amplitude. Pitch of sound depends upon time period, amplitude, intensity, frequency. The correct answer is option D. Pitch of sound depends upon frequency. Time period is reciprocal of cycle, wavelength, frequency, amplitude. The correct answer is option C. Frequency. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQ Challenger for latest informative MCQ.